Why do you eat meat? I have eaten meat all my life, but never questioned it, nor have I ever planned on stopping it. Since a young age, my mother always used to tell me, you need to eat more meat. It will make you stronger and healthier. Well, about 50 years later, now I can say that's not entirely true because I think that's a common misconception that we all grew up with. Not to mention the miseducation of consequence of meat consumption as well. Today, I'd like to share with you all unseen and dark side of meat production and meat consumption, while also giving you a glimpse of future, presenting to you a new way of consuming high-quality meat while being environmentally friendly. When primitive humans firstly arose, we all were hunter-gatherers. We ate plants, insects, and animals, whatever we could get hold of it. There were times that when our main source of protein was plant and insect. Simply, it was because of the difficulty of catching live animals. It's only when livestock agriculture was becoming popular that our main source of protein became animal meats. However, this introduced the use of unnecessary chemicals such as antibiotics and growth stimulators in an effort to enhance meat productions. All it does is worsen the quality of our meats. Next, for the purpose of preserving meat, we started storing them in a long-lasting package, such as cans, introducing more chemicals, more hazard chemicals, like sodium nitrite, which is a carcinogen recognized by World Health Organization. Another thing to consider is the impact we are making on both animals and the environment. The environmental consequences of livestock agriculture are undeniable. The positive impacts from simply cutting down the meat consumptions are immense. With all these problems, why do we continue to consume animal meats? There are other plentiful ways to replenish our protein, especially from proteins. The key reason is the irresistible taste of meat we have enjoyed throughout all my life. Juicy, delicious. It's simply a flavor unachievable by anything else. It's not something we can give up overnight. As we progress forward, it is inevitable for the price of high-quality meat to skyrocket as consumers demand more, better meat. With these prices, it will become more and more difficult to consume meat as well. What we need is a stable, cleaner, widely available alternative product, free of any harmful chemical additives, while also effectively capturing and satisfying our needs for the original taste of meat we all love. This is where plant-based meat steps in. Now, the new technology has enabled us to produce high-quality plant-based meats, which is firstly satisfied both our taste buds and need for the protein. Some of these products are so similar, if not better, it is actually difficult to distinguish it from real meat. The taste of delicious meat without any consequences. Of course, we can enjoy real meat, but just by keeping it occasionally, just like going out to the movie. I recently launched a startup venture called Better Food, based in the United States, launching Better Meat, a plant-based meat alternative that is truly one of a kind. My dream is to change the world with this product by improving human health, animal welfare, and the environment. Better Meat is not for vegan. Better Meat is for meat-loving customers. Better Meat has the true savoring taste, same as real meat, and texture of real meat, but exclude all the harmful hazards such as animal fat, cholesterol, artificial coloring, and chemical additives. We currently have a wide range of pork-based processed meat, such as cold cuts, meatballs, sausage patties, and luncheon meats. I especially developed these products as they are the most consumed forms of meat globally. Our product makes you enjoy the same taste, minus many health hazards the meat version can bring. My favorite, Better Meat's luncheon can ham is a modern take on the classic product Spam. We all love Spam, but we all know how unhealthy it is. Our product maintains the classic taste of Spam while providing an escape from It's ungodly level of cholesterol and sodium nitrite. Now you can enjoy spam while sustaining your health. I sincerely hope that more and more food companies can join my effort to produce the better food product. I personally believe that meat is not the only problem. We have a countless of other products, other food products that pose great problem as well. Feel free to join me on a journey towards a better future of alternative food product. We can save both ourselves and our beloved planet.